Hey there, everyone. Welcome to Grammar Grid. In our last video, we explored nouns and their types. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure to check it out first so you can fully understand what nouns are and how they work. Today, we're diving into an exciting new topic: verbs. Do you know how many types of verbs there are, or why they're so important in our sentences? Don't worry if you're unsure. I'm here to break it all down for you. So let's jump right in and get started. So first thing first, what is a verb? A verb is a word that tells us what someone or something does. It shows action or a state of being. For example, run, eat, or is. That was simple, right? Now, let's explore the main types of verbs with examples. On your screen, you can see the different types of verbs. Don't worry if it seems like a lot. We'll go through each type step by step and make it super easy to understand. First, we have action verbs. These are words that show actions, things you can do. For example, run, jump, think, sing. Quick tip. To find an action verb, ask, what is the subject doing? The answer is the action verb. Example, she runs fast. Ask, what is she doing? Answer, runs. Action verbs describe what people, animals, or things can do. It's that easy. Next, we have linking verbs. These verbs connect the subject to more information about it, like how it feels or what it is. Examples can be is, are, seem. Example sentence, she is happy. Here, the word is connects the subject, which is she, to the description, happy. Now let's talk about helping verbs. These are also called auxiliary verbs. They work with the main verb to add meaning, like showing time, ability, or making a question. Examples, can, will have. I will study tomorrow. Here, will helps the verb study to show when the action happens. He can run fast. Can is the helping verb, and run is the main verb. Next are transitive verbs. These are action verbs that need an object, something to receive the action. Example, she kicked the ball. Here, ball is the object receiving the action of being kicked. In opposite, we have intransitive verbs that don't need an object. The action happens on its own. He laughed loudly. Here, there's no object. The action doesn't need anything else to make sense. Let's move on to regular verbs. These follow a simple rule when changing to the past tense. All you have to do is add ed to the main verb. Examples, play becomes played, talk becomes talked. Example sentence, I played yesterday. She talked to her friend yesterday. Now, opposite to that are irregular verbs. These verbs don't follow the regular ed rule. Instead, they change in different ways. Examples, go becomes went, eat becomes ate. I ate lunch. I went to the mall. Irregular verbs don't follow patterns, so you'll need to memorize them. These are the most common used irregular verbs. Go, went. See, saw. Eat, ate. Come, came. Take, took. Lastly, we have phrasal verbs. These are verbs combined with a preposition or adverb to create a new meaning. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are prepositions and adverbs? Well, that's a topic we'll explore in an upcoming video. So, don't go anywhere. Understanding these little words will make mastering verbs a whole lot easier. Now back to the topic. In simple words, phrasal verbs are special combinations that give new meanings to the original verb. Examples, give up, means to stop trying. Turn on means to start something. Please turn on the light. Don't give up on your dreams. That's all for today. Now you know all about verbs and their types. Remember, verbs are the action heroes of sentences. They make everything happen. In the next video, we will learn about pronouns and its types. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tap the bell icon so you don't miss more fun lessons. Have questions or want to learn more? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.